Bad Wimpfen is one of the most stunning towns of the Neckar Valley and is worth a visit at any time of the year. The romantic little town is conveniently located and easily accessible by public transport, a place that contains many treasures. The romantic town is characterized by its medieval castle complex, striking blue tower built between 1160 and 1170, overlooking the town and the neighboring landscape, medieval gates, half-timbered houses, and churches. So if you are in Germany and are not sure if Bad Wimpfen should be included in your next itinerary, keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Bad Wimpfen. The picturesque old town of Bad Wimpfen is one of the most impressive townscapes in Germany because of the unique half-timbered houses that adorn the old town, and in addition to their story, are the perfect place to take photos. The best way to explore and enjoy the town is on foot. I started my journey passing through the lower city entrance. From there, you will immediately feel the medieval spirit. As I continued to walk, I came across a lion fountain from the 16th century, representing the independent imperial city at the lower crossroads. The town itself is a maze of cobblestone lanes lined with medieval half-timbered houses. The journey within the town is slightly uphill, but there is nothing to worry since the place provides a well-organized road plan with provisions of stairs, and it has well-paved roads and pathways. There are a number of romantic alleys lined with half-timbered houses, especially in the area where the Eagle Fountain is situated, a prestigious fountain dating from 1576 at the upper intersection with access to the market square. The town is also a home of owner-operated retail stores, cafes, and restaurants. You can discover the wide regional variety, local specialties, and personalized service too. The town has a rich history, and this is particularly evident in its architecture and many historic buildings. As I continued to stroll the town, I came across the town's landmark, the Blue Tower. It was built around 1170 as the western keep of the royal palace and served the former imperial town of Wimpfen as a high watchtower with an entrance on the east side. Climbing the tower will cost you €3. The tower serves as a museum. Since the cashier is located almost at the topmost part of the tower, one can enjoy some of the display inside the tower for free. If you wish to continue to the rooftop, you will have the opportunity to witness the breathtaking panoramic view of the townscapes. From the top, you will see the spires of the town's church, a prominent tourist attraction. The church is not only a place of worship, but also an architectural gem that is definitely worth a visit. In Bad Wimpfen, you have every moment to feel the past and enjoy the present because the history is at every turn. The place continues to invite tourists all year round. I hope that this video will help you appreciate the town even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!